Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Pova Neo 2, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once the content that you want to capture is visible, all you need to do is hold power button, volume down. You have the sound along with the pop-up, and that's our screenshot. So to view our screenshot, let's open up our AI gallery. Jesus. Yeah, that's basically where our screenshot is located. That's not sure where the AI part here is, but whatever. So in here you can navigate to the albums, and in albums you'll find a screenshot album, and when you click on it you'll find all the screenshots that I have captured over the time, and here's the one that I have captured on the video. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.